friends, so welcome back to Ligem classes, and once again we are going to solve some MCQs on modern history. So this time we are going to solve the MCQs on moderate phase. Okay, so before we solve the MCQs, there are around just 10 MCQs, but these MCQs are quite important for exams like RRB. So before we solve these MCQs, let me teach you how you can reach the MCQ section. So obviously you have to visit ligem.com. So this is the website ligem.com. And as you can see, here we have RRB, SSC and MPPSC. So let me just click on RRB. Okay. And here in the RRB, we have two choices, the English medium as well as the Hindi medium. So I'm just going to click on the English medium. Okay. Now in the English medium, you will be shown the whole GK syllabus of RRB. So as you can see, this is the whole GK syllabus of RRB. And we have choices, polity, history, geography, science and economy. So we are going to click on history. Okay. We have to work with the modern history. So I'm just going to click on modern history. Okay, excellent. So this is the modern history syllabus. Okay. There are around 26-25 chapters. Okay. Yeah. 26-27 chapters. And we are interested in the moderate phase, that is chapter 11. So when we click here, you will be directed to the MCQ section. Okay, so this is the MCQ section, and there are around 10 MCQs that we are going to solve together. So let's start. Okay, so we have the first question, the time period of moderates. So the moderate phase started from 1885, that is the establishment of Congress, to 1905. What happened in 1905? We will discuss in the emergence of radicals. Okay, so the correct answer is 1885 to 1905. That's the correct answer. So let me just mark this. Brilliant, that's done. Okay, so let me just scroll down. Then we have the second question. Who founded the Congress? We have the option that is Thomas Wells. The second option as Ranchel Smith. And the third option as James Cartier. And the fourth option A.O. Hume. Now obviously if you have studied for any kind of government exams, or even if you are beginning for the first time, you may have a definite idea that it was started by an Englishman called as A.O. Hume. Okay, you're familiar with this guy. So let me just mark this option A.O. Hume. Okay, option D, A.O. Hume. Okay, then we have the third question. Where was the first session of Congress held? Okay, so where was the first session of Congress held? We have the choices Delhi, Calcutta, Lahore, and the last one as Bombay. So the correct answer is option D, Bombay. Okay, so I'm just going to mark option D, Bombay. Okay, so let me just scroll down and let's explore the fourth question. Who was the first president of Congress? We have the option Prakash Manoj, the second option Hilary Campbell, the third option as Acharya Deshmukh, and the fourth option Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. So the correct answer is option D, W.C. Banerjee or Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. So let's mark option D, Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. Okay, so we have solved fourth question. Okay, so let's explore the fifth question. What is meant by the 3P of Congress? The first option is production, protest and prayers. The second option is piety, petition and protest. The third option is penance, prayers and piety. And the fourth option is prayers, petition and protest. So the correct answer is the Congress believed in three things, that is prayers, petition and protest. So let me just mark option D, prayers, petition and protest. Okay. The famous moderate leaders are Surya Sen, M.G. Ranade and W.C. Banerjee. That's the first option. James McShell, M.G. Ranade, that's the second option. Dadabhai Naoroji, Vomesh Chandra Banerjee, G. Subramaniam Iyer. Now that's the third option. And the fourth option is Annie Besant, Thomas Cook. So the correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji, Vomesh Chandra Banerjee and Annie Besant. So we have marked it. Okay. Who founded the Hindu newspaper? So we have the option Raj Behari Ghosh. The second option is G. Subramaniam Iyer. The third option Surendranath Banerjee. And the fourth option is Vomesh Chandra Banerjee. So the correct option is G. Subramaniam Iyer. Okay, option B, G. Subramaniam Iyer. He was the one who founded the paper, that is the Hindu. Okay, so let me just scroll down and we have the eighth question. He is regarded as Mahatma Gandhi's political guru. Okay, so he is known as Mahatma Gandhi's political guru. He was the one who advised Mahatma Gandhi on many events when Mahatma Gandhi came from South Africa to India. So he was the one who guided Mahatma Gandhi and asked him for at least for some time, let's say 1 year, you just tour the country, you just get a perspective how things are going on. Okay, and the person was Gopal Krishna Gokhale, GK Gokhale. Okay, so option D, GK Gokhale. So we have marked it. Then we have the ninth question. Which statements is true about the moderates? The first option is did not confine to the educated masses only. Okay, that is not true because the initial phase of moderates, even the initial phase of Congress, they were only confined to select educated men and women, mostly men. And the second option is demanded complete independence from foreign rule. No, they were not really interested in complete independence. They were interested in getting some favors from the Britishers, okay, removing salt tax, removing the Arms Act and all that stuff, education for the people, but they were not interested. They knew that they won't be getting any freedom from the Britishers at any point. So that's the second option is wrong. They knew the power of mass movement of the people. No, till 1905, till the partition of Bengal and Swadeshi movement, they did not know the power of the common people. They believe in educated masses who will be taking the petitions to the Britishers, and the Britishers are in mood, they will listen to it. So the fourth option had complete faith in the British justice system, which is true. Okay, and some of them were actually big lawyers and they believed in British justice system. So that is option D, had complete faith in the British justice system. Okay, so we have marked it. Then we have the 10th question. Where was the second and the third session of Congress held? Now obviously you know that the first session of Congress was held in Bombay, the second was held in Calcutta, and the third was held in Madras. So let me just mark Calcutta and Madras. Okay, so we have solved around 10 questions. Now all we have to do at this point is just click on finish to check how many of them are correct. 10 out of 10. Excellent. Brilliant.